Hello and welcome to the EDS Client Tutorial 6. In this tutorial, we will talk about the models charts. Left-click on a model from the Models list and right-click to display the Models menu. Select the Charts option from the menu. The Charts window will default display a data chart from the last 3 days. You can change that by picking a specific period or picking the last X hours or days. You can select up to 4 variables from the list on the right. When you are done, click the refresh button on the left to display the chart. There are 15 types of charts, while the most common is the data chart. You can navigate the periods using the arrows buttons below the chart type control. In case your period contains events, they will be displays in the white box below the variables selection. To see the events on the chart, click the checkbox of the event and refresh the chart. The event will be displayed as a red vertical line on the timeline when the event occurred. The Format tab is used for auto-scaling the variables and selecting colors for the chart. Each variable has a default color, but the colors can be changed from the color buttons inside each variable box. There are 15 types of charts. The first type is Raw Data Chart. Chart 2. Similarity Chart. Chart 3. Dynamic Change Chart. Chart 4. Correlation between variables chart. Chart 5. Variables histogram chart. Chart 6. Similarity histogram chart. Chart 7. Topology histogram chart. Chart 8. Distance histogram chart. Chart 9. Dynamic change histogram chart. Chart 10. Distribution of variable fixed value. Chart 11. Measurements density in 2 dimensions. Chart 12. Measurements density in 3 dimensions. Chart 13. Rate of change by time density map. Chart 14. Dynamic change by time density map. Thank you. We hope this tutorial was helpful and clear. For more details, please go to our website.